Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma walhiqni bis-salihin. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan tayyiban wa 'amalan mutaqabbalan. Assalamu alaikum students. Today you are going to learn about the properties of the lipids. It is the continuity of the chapter number 21, the biochemistry part 7. Then you are going to learn about the densification, and that how the oils and fats are going to be densified, and then afterwards you are going to learn about the functions of the lipids. So we will start. First of all, the physical properties of the lipids. Lipids may be either liquids or non-crystalline solids at room temperature. Then pure fats and oils are colorless, odorless and tasteless. And they are energy-rich organic molecules. They are insoluble in water. They are soluble in organic solvents like alcohols, chloroform, acetone, benzene, etc. And no ionic charges are present inside the lipids. This is the physical properties. And now the chemical properties. If we're going to go into the depth of the chemical properties, the chemical properties are the acrolein formation, glycerol, heat and potassium bisulfates by the hydrogenation. When unsaturated fatty acids or unsaturated fats, then nickel as a catalyst is going to be used, and it is going to be converted into saturated fats. The hardening, and for example the vegetable oils are commercially cooking oils. They are formed by this type of the chemical property of the hydrogenation of the fats. Then saponifications, यानी सोप बनाने का तरीका, hydrolysis of the fat by alkali, glycerol, alkalis, and the strong sodium hydroxide is going to be reacted with the glycerols, and they will form the soaps. In this way, the saponification process will take place. This is the chemical reaction of the fats. Then rancidity, a chemical change resulting in the unpleasant odor and the taste on storage when fats are exposed to heat, light, air, and moisture. So they will be densified. We will learn in details also the densification. The ascorbic acid, the vitamin C and vitamin E are antioxidants and prevents the rancidity. So here the lipids and the organic solvents are not inorganic solvents. They can dissolve, but in water they cannot dissolve. Vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E and D, the estrogens, all these are the examples of the lipids, and the chemical properties of the lipids are also there. So other chemical properties of the lipids are, they are hardening of the just like the hardenings of the oils. Unsaturated triglyceride oils are liquid at room temperature. Hydrogenation takes place when hydrogen passed through in the presence of the metal catalyst, as we learned that with the presence of the nickel, this hydrogenation will take place. Then saturated triglyceride fats are produced, which are semi-solids. So unsaturated fats converted into the saturated one. Then next process is about the rancidification. Rancid हो जाना, बदबूदार हो जाना, dirty सी smell देने लग जाना. जब this process of असल में क्यों होता है, the process of decomposition of fatty acids. And then the fatty acids are going to be decomposed. On that time the spoilage of the oil and fats will occur, and they become smelly. And for saving this rancidification, you can keep them in a cool or refrigerate them. Then they can be saved. Otherwise, the rancidity takes place in the three methodologies are there. One is the hydrolytic rancidity, the other one is the oxidative rancidity, the third one is the microbial rancidity. In hydrolytic rancidity, hydrolysis of the esterase linkage in fatty acids. हाइड्रोलिसिस, हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर, लाइसिस मीन्स स्प्लिटिंग. वाटर की प्रेजेंस में जब स्प्लिट अप होकर ईस्टर्स लिंकेजेस जो फैटी एसिड में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, तो उस वक्त वो रेंसिडिफाई हो जाते हैं. देन ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, द स्मेलिंग द एल्डिहाइड्स एंड फैटी एसिड्स, उस पर ऑक्सीडेटिव जो रेंसिडिटी है वो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. Then the microbial rancidity is the microorganisms, they spoil the oils. So in this ways the lipases are there, the reaction is down here. So in this process, if you refrigerate them, if you keep them in a cool place, they will not be the rancidified. Biological importance of the lipids are the important dietary compounds, the essential fatty acids, and the storage form of the energy triglycerides, structural components of the biomembranes, phospholipids, and the cholesterols. स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं। बायो मेम्ब्रेन्स जितनी भी बायोलॉजिकल मेम्ब्रेन्स हैं, चाहे वो फॉस्फोलिपिड्स हों या कोलेस्ट्रोल्स हों, उनका जो स्ट्रक्चर है, उसके कंपोनेंट, बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स में जो है ना, वो ये लिपिड्स होते हैं। प्रोवाइडिंग इंसुलेशन अगेंस्ट द चेंजेस इन द एक्सटर्नल टेम्परेचर। सब क्यूटेनियस फैट्स, जैसे कि एनिमल्स के ऊपर जो है ना बहुत ज़्यादा फैट होता है, जो कि बहुत कूल एरियाज़ में रहते हैं, बिलो -डिग्री टेम्परेचर पे रहते हैं, उनका ब्लबर मौजूद होता है। सो ये उनके लिए इंसुलेशन का काम करता है। गिविंग शेप एंड द कॉन्ट्रोर आउटलाइन टू द बॉडी। शेप और कॉन्ट्रोरिंग के लिए भी जो है ये यूज़ किया जाता है। बॉडी की शेप भी बनाते हैं, कॉन्ट्रोरिंग और आउट ऑफ शेप भी कर देते हैं। So protecting internal organs by the providing a cushioning effect the pads of the fats. बॉडी के अंदर अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त ने ऐसा रखा हुआ मैकेनिज़्म कि मतलब एक ऑर्गन को दूसरे ऑर्गन से सेग्रीगेट सेपरेट करके उसकी कुशनिंग करते हैं और उनको सेफ भी रखते हैं। So lipids we use in foods applications, then the self assembly is there, the biological assembly is there, dietary products, the fruits, nuts, eggs, they will contain meat. In medicines we will use the lipids. In cosmetics we use the lipids. In the organ protection it is going to be your lipid metabolisms. Biosynthesis are also biological importance of the lipids. Then the cell structures, the liposomes, the hierarchy or order structures, the membrane protein crystallization, all these oils, fruits, nuts, they are beneficial for us. So in this way, this is the most important biological importance of the fats are there. So today's conclusion is that you learn about the properties of the lipids, the densification, how the oils and fats are going to be densified, and what is the importance of the lipids in your life. And in next lecture, inshallah, you are going to learn about the nucleic acids. Take care. May Allah be with you. Allah Hafiz.